what can we do to rebalance like our estrogen and our testosterone and our progesterone? Like, is there an exercise or something we can clear to help bring those into better balance?
Is there, does sunlight bring us estrogen and progesterone and testosterone, like just being out in the sun? Does vitamin D, isn't vitamin D the sun? Does vitamin D
Vitamin
balance
D
those?
is important, yeah, for hormones. Yes, it's a precursor to hormones. It helps build hormones.
Okay, yeah, because they said like being in the sun alone, just like going out in the sun and being active, like 20 minutes a day is going to balance your hormones, because you're going to
Wow.
go into like that, like you're going to go into like that mode of like hunter gatherer type, like our
Okay. Yeah.
like our original like man beast, woman beast, like, I need to be out in the sun, I need to be outside, I need to be in nature, like that type of thing. Not, like being out in the sun and actually like running forward, punching, kicking, something of that sort. That's gonna balance things out a lot. Like, oh, because fight or flight, punch, kick, got it, ha, and running. So like running forward, not backwards, punching, kicking, out in the sun, like outdoors, is gonna balance out the hormones faster than any medicine can,
Oh.
or faster than any like mental exercise. Because if you do the mental exercise, you're still inside, you're still like indoor, like kind of willing this into existence, where it's going to be a lot faster to just go outside and either, just if you can't run outside, just run on a treadmill or jog in place or do something where you're doing jumping jacks or something outside. And if it's really really
Cool.
hot or cold where you are, just, you know dress accordingly and just jump around outside for a little bit and then go back inside.